ViiBE makes number porting simple. To port numbers, simply click the number porting menu option. Next, click Create LNP Request. We use different providers for fax and UCaaS, so first choose if you are porting standard numbers or our faxed email service. If you are porting numbers from the same account to both services, you will have to create separate orders. Additionally, due to porting regulations, a separate order must be submitted for different carriers. For example, if your customer has 3 numbers with the cable company and 1 number from another VoIP provider, that will need to be submitted as 2 separate orders. Let's add some phone numbers for us to port. Our system automatically recognizes toll-free versus domestic numbers and will prepare the proper paperwork for your end user. Next, request a porting date. A porting date should be requested for a minimum of 3 business days for domestic numbers and 4 business days for toll-free. This will be the date we request the losing carrier port your numbers to the Virtue network. Next, enter the billing telephone number. It is important that all the information entered into ViiBE for LNP matches identically to the losing service provider. Ports have been known to be rejected for things as simple as a missing space or 1 invalid digit. Determine if this is a full or a partial port. Partial ports require providing a new BTN for the losing service provider if the current BTN is porting away. Next, add the authorized contact for your customer. This must be the same person on record for the losing carrier. Enter the losing carrier name, account number, and a PIN if the customer's carrier requires one. Finally, enter the customer name as it appears on their losing carrier record. Optionally, you can enter an email address in this field here. Our system will send your client a magic link to review and sign the paperwork in your branded portal. And lastly, fill out the customer service address, again making sure it is identical to what is on the losing carrier record. Google Maps will autofill the address, but you're able to make corrections if needed. Move through to review and save the order. At this point, you can download the system-created documents and send to your customer. If you entered their email in, then simply ensure they sign the docs. Once signed, they will appear in this portal. Also ensure you upload a recent invoice or CSR so our LNP team can successfully complete the order. Please note that all domestic ports are automatically triggered at 8 p.m. EST, but can be triggered for manual porting earlier in the day by calling into our LNP team or commenting on your porting case. Toll-free ports are automatically triggered by the carrier at 11:30 a.m. EST and are unable to be triggered at any other time.